Okay, lesson 12. A review about equations of lines. So how do you graph a line using the slope-intercept method? Okay, so let's assume that they give you the slope is 6 over 5, and we want to use y equals mx plus b. We're going to put 6 over 5 for the m. Then to find the b, we need to use a point. Well, these are the points that they gave us. So I take one of those points, and I put the x here, and I put the y here. You just solve this out for b, and you get negative 8/5. Then to write the equation, you just put back in the original equation, you put m right here, and you put the b right here. Now, how did we get the m if they didn't give it to us? We can get it from a diagram by counting rise over run. So starting at this point and counting up, you get 6, and counting to the right, you get 5. Rise over run, that's slope. So you can get it from the diagram, or they might give it to you. So here's another example. If they give you this, you have to calculate the slope by up 1 and left. Okay, so you go up 1 and left 4. So up 1 and left 4 is a negative because you went left. So you know that it goes through 2 because you can look at it and see that it goes right through 2 on the y-axis. That is your b. So you just put the negative 1/4 in for m and the 2 for the b. So hopefully that's helpful. Let me give you a couple other little hints though. Remember, there's two special cases. One is the horizontal line. So you have your axes and you have a line that's horizontal. It only touches the y-axis. Wherever it touches the y-axis, its equation is going to be y equals that number. That number is negative 3 where it touches the y-axis in this case. And the slope is always 0 for a horizontal line. Then for a vertical line, it's only going to touch just the x-axis. And wherever it touches the x-axis, the equation of that line will be whatever that number is, x equals that number. So vertical touches the x-axis, the equation is x equals the number. Horizontal touches the y-axis, the equation is y equals that number. I already covered the fact that on a horizontal line, that the slope is 0. On a vertical line, it has no slope. Okay, if you're asked what the slope is on a vertical line, the answer is no slope. When you calculate it, you get something that's undefined, but it's not an undefined slope, it is no slope. Just a reminder of all these.